Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Cyxus. These are the Cyxus AI smart camera glasses. And they feature a camera for taking still photos and video, also dual microphones with noise cancellation so that you can take phone calls and things like that as well. Of course, speakers for listening to music and much more. We're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing of these AI-enabled smart glasses from Cyxus. You can see some of the things here, like built-in microphone, open-style audio, fast charging mode, touch control, camera, and UV protection is going to be built into these as well. So this is something that if you are looking for just all-around glasses, they'll protect you from UV, they'll protect you from blue light. You can grab these and they'll do a pretty good job. If you're working a lot on your computer or something like that, or outside, you'll be able to, appreciate those protections. Now, they do give us a cleaning cloth here as well with the Cyxus logo on it, so you can keep your lenses clean. We do get a user manual. This is in multiple languages, so if English is not your first language, you can, of course, be covered here with multiple languages. It's going to show you how to take videos, photos, and recording, how to adjust your volume, and a ton more in here as well. How to get the app so that you can pair with your phone. Now they have an app for Android and for iOS. I will be showing the Android version of the app here so that you can check it out. So just hold on to that just in case you do need it. Okay, so we also get a charge cable here, and this is going to be a USB Type A, which you can plug into any laptop or PC's USB port to charge up the device to a double pogo magnetic pin that will go right into the side of the glasses. If you don't want to plug that into your laptop or your PC, you can use something like an AC to USB adapter just like that one that you probably have from another device. Taking a look at the glasses themselves, they have a nice carry/storage bag for these, so that when they're not in use, you can store them away, which is really nice. And then, of course, they have this for shipping that will protect them during shipping as well. Now, the frames on these are made out of a TR90, which is, fairly common in glasses with plastic frames. They're going to be very durable. You're not going to have any problems with that. You can see on the right-hand side and the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we do have an LED indicator. And on the right-hand side, we do have our camera lens, which can take pictures up to 4K and video up to 1080p. We also have buttons on top of each arm and a touch pad on the right arm that will allow us to do various things like skip tracks, answer phone calls, and adjust volume. Now, on the inside of that right arm, you're going to see two pogo pins there, and that is where you will plug in for recharging the device. Now, the device has a 220 milliamp battery in it, and it is good for up to 40 minutes of video recording or up to 5 hours of music playback before it needs to be recharged, and the whole thing weighs only 42 grams. These glasses were lightweight enough and comfortable enough for me to wear for long periods of time. I didn't have any problems with the comfortability of these glasses. You can also contact Cyxus if you want to get lenses that are going to be prescription or other options as well. And that's just on a side note. Okay, so again, for the buttons, you do have a button on the right-hand side, a button on the left-hand side on the top of the frames, and then you also have that touch area on the right stem of the glasses themselves. Then your camera up in the upper left, and your LED sensor on the right. Now, that LED sensor will turn on if you take a picture, it'll flash. And if you record, it will also light up to let others know that you're recording. Something to note there, just so that you know that will light up as it just did right there, since I snapped a picture, and you can see that it will do that. Now, there is a companion app, it's the Hey Cyan app, and I have it on Android here. It's going to give you a bunch of different information about your device. Comes up as the V03. It shows you your battery life. It shows you your recording settings, wearing detection, so that means it will shut off after you take the glasses off for a certain amount of time. And then you can set your video duration anywhere from 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 9 minutes, or 12 minutes if you want. As the 9 and 12 minutes, they do give you a little bit of warning that the glasses may heat up a little bit. So try to limit to shorter sessions like 1 or 3 minutes, I think would be a pretty safe bet here. You do have a recording duration underneath that, and that's for your audio recording. So if you just want to record audio, you have the option of setting that duration as well, from 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120 minutes. If you're sitting in a lecture or a meeting and you need to record it, you can do that as well. You can check for firmware upgrades here, restart the glasses, or restore to factory settings. Now, you can also quickly take a photo, record a video, or record audio just hitting one of these three buttons at the top. And then you have smart image recognition as well, which is really cool to have. So if I point my glasses or I'm looking at something, say Doctor Strange here, and I take a picture, I can easily tap take a picture or smart image recognition, one or the other. I can also say, hey, Cyan, and what am I looking at? And it will take a picture and it'll come up in AI. Now you can see here,
Final figure of Doctor Strange, positioned on a light-colored, smooth surface, likely a white desk or shelf. The figure features the character's iconic look. A stylized, oversized head with molded brown hair swept back. Large black circular eyes.
that it does a good job at recognizing what I was looking at or what the glasses were pointing towards. It's clearly saw a Doctor Strange Funko Pop, and everything around it as well. The table, the color of the table, things of that nature, and the background being white because I've got that white table, and other things that it will see in your view. So you can use the AI to pretty much ask, what am I looking at? And it will let you know what it thinks you are looking at that current moment. Now I can use the AI to do other things, like I can say, hey, Cyan, what is the weather like today? And what will happen is in the AI section, and of course in the speakers themselves, it'll read out what the weather is in my area. And you can use it to ask other questions like many other AI assistants out there. So you have that at your fingertips, which is a really cool feature as well. Okay, so you do have all of your function settings here, touchpad gestures and everything. Single clicking the right button at the top will take a photo. Double clicking will start a recording of a video. And then, of course, single clicking to stop the video on the right hand side. On the left hand side, if you double click, that will start an audio recording, and a single click will stop that. You do have touchpad gestures as well to be able to control your tracks and your volume up and down by swiping up and forward and backward to adjust your volume. So let's check out some samples of photos that I did, video and audio, from the glasses themselves. Okay, so here's the first picture that I snapped on an overcast day, good lighting. You'll see here, you can see some good details on the pictures. The pictures do come up at up to 4K resolution, and they do a pretty good job. Good color representation here, a little bit on the cooler side, as you can see. But for AI glasses, these are not bad at all as far as the color and the detail that I get from the main camera, being 8 megapixels up to 4K for still images. If we go in a little bit closer here, you're going to see that we do retain most of the detail, but it gets a little bit blurred out here, and that's to be expected. Again, it's an 8 megapixel camera. It's not going to be super great, but it is definitely good enough to take something and share it to social media, no problems whatsoever. Okay, for video here, this is 1080p. That's what you're going to get out of this shooter on the glasses themselves, but it is upscaled to 4K in this video, so just keep that in mind, and I'll let you check this out.
So this is a video and audio test of the Cyxus AI glasses taking video. This is a test of the Cyxus AI glasses voice recording. This will give you a good idea of what your voice will sound like during phone calls and video chats.
So it does have some stabilization in the video. It's not optical. It's going to be EIS, and it does an okay job. It is better than I thought it would be, which is a good thing. And the audio definitely comes through clear on the microphones, so I didn't have any problems with the audio from video recording and using it to take phone calls. Controlling music is as easy as tapping on the right-hand side there. You'll see I can pause and play music. I can forward and reverse tracks. And if I slide my finger forward or backwards, I can adjust the volume of the music being played back as well. We also get things like AI translation with on-screen translation, which is very easy to use here. You just select what languages you want, and you can record, and it will show it on the screen for each user, top and bottom. So if you're trying to have it speak with someone that speaks a different language, you both can speak into the glasses themselves or just normally, and you'll be able to see on each side what you like. Now, you do have simultaneous translation as well. So if, say, you're listening to a speaker and they are going to be speaking a different language, you can select the language and the output language and do start translation, and it will actually just continuously translate for you. And then, of course, you can save that for later. Then we also have one last thing called meeting minutes. And this is going to be able to just start recording here. It's going to summarize everything into minutes for you, and it can translate and summarize all of the minutes from the meeting and highlight the points for you in your language, even if they're spoken in a different language. So very, very cool features there for AI. Now, none of this is paid through the actual app. It's all free at the time of this recording, so you don't have to pay anything extra to get this. Okay, so that's my review of these AI smart camera glasses from Cyxus. They have a lot going for them, especially with the companion app, having a built-in AI voice assistant where I can ask for things like the weather and a lot of other things that we've seen in a lot of voice assistants. But being paired with the glasses and being able to look at something and ask it what I'm looking at and to identify it correctly is a very useful tool indeed. Now, Now we also have the camera that is built in. It does take pretty good photos and video for sharing on social media or just capturing a quick event that you would like to capture. It does definitely hold up better than I thought it would when I initially got them, so they're good in my testing. Overall, I had a fun time testing out these glasses. If you're looking for a pair of AI glasses, you may want to check out these one from Cyxus. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.